Hello, everyone. Have you ever tried measuring something really tiny, like the sharp tip of your pencil or a miniature insect? Sometimes a measurement falls between two whole numbers. Today, we're diving into these tiny parts to see how they help us measure our world more precisely. Imagine you're measuring a bookmark. It ends right between 5 and 6 centimeters. If we only used whole numbers, we'd be stuck. So we divide that centimeter into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10 of a unit. This helps us measure lengths much more accurately. Check this out. A pen measuring 3 and 4/10 means 3 whole units and 4 parts out of 10. In math, we write this as 3.4. Remember, 10 1/10ths together make one whole unit. Want to get even more precise? We divide each tenth into 10 even smaller parts called hundredths. That means one unit is made of 100 hundredths. For example, 4 units and 45 hundredths is written as 4.45. The decimal point is like a border. It separates the whole numbers on the left from the tiny parts on the right. In 4.5, we have 4 units and 5 tenths. In 4.05, it's 4 units and 5 hundredths. Location is everything. This number is read as 7.3, and this number is read as 5.08. The digits after the decimal represent tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Decimals make converting units easier. 0.6 centimeters? That's just 6 millimeters. And 0.25 meters? Well, that's exactly 25 centimeters. Pretty cool, right? We use decimals every day with money and weight. 0.75 rupees is 75 paise. 0.250 kilograms is 250 grams. And hey, sometimes extra zeros at the end don't change a thing. 0.2, 0.20, and 0.200. They're all the same amount. Where does 2.6 lie? Right between 2 and 3. If we chop that space into 10 bits, the 6th mark is our spot. Number lines show us exactly where these decimals hang out. Ready to compare 5.47 and 5.52? First, look at the whole numbers. They're both 5. Next, check the tenths place. We've got 4 versus 5. Since 5 is bigger than 4, we already know that 5.52 is greater. We compare digit by digit from left to right. Adding decimals like 2.8 and 1.5 is easy if you line up those decimal points. 2.8 plus 1.5 gives us 4.3. And guess what? The exact same lining up rule applies for subtraction too. Fantastic work! Decimals let us see the tiny details that make a huge difference. From measuring a tiny seed to counting your coins. You're now a decimal pro.